Okay guys, I did a Joker knife out the side from the Dark Knight from Hatchet Creek Outfitters. This one was from Blade Ops. This one actually came in 3 days. So a lot faster. Same silver package. There's the model number. No plastic. The other one, you hit that to switch the blade out. This one is supposed to be the Cupid clone, so let's see if it works. Holy crap. Okay, so you're supposed to push this button down in the center and use that to retract it, which works. That's what it came in. That's model number. Obviously I blacked it out. Came in like 3 days, literally. See if it'll work again. Wow. No blade play, and oh my gosh, that is sharp. It's probably what, 25-30% serrated blade, double edge, and razor sharp. Push the button again. Out the front, Cupid clone. I would have to say that it was worth every dime of $20 to $30. This thing, when it clicks, the action is out of control. I've had Smith & Wesson's, Benchmades, Spyderco's. Fast as all hell. Shouldn't be doing this, but I will. Yeah. Sharp as hell. So once again, that button, that center button, you push it, then you retract the blade like so. It's easy to do if you're not holding a phone in your hand, but that's it for comparison's sake. Wow. Awesome knife. Every penny worth it. That's what, 5 times? Let's try it again. Clip. So it's in your pocket. Bam. Yeah. Awesome knife. Mad props to Blade Ops. That was ordered off of bladeops.com. I wouldn't waste your money on the $5 ones, because that, my friends, is sharp. And that's a Cupid clone out the front knife. Check your local laws before you buy this knife, because it's probably illegal in a lot of states. Take care.